baby, you got me like I'm so addicted to you. Baby, baby, that you now. I wanna keep it for myself. I'm so addicted
It's Paula and welcome back to another vlog. So as you've heard by the title, in this vlog, house renovation content starts. So we're gonna start right from the beginning. It might not be right from the beginning for you guys, just because the first time I went to view this house, or we went to view this house, because it wasn't just me, I did not record the second time either, just because I didn't know if this was gonna be our house. We were not the only people viewing this house, and after so many houses passing by, like, we were not successful. We know some of them would get there and they've already put an offer in, it's already taken, and these are the ones that were not like online, like just like private, where someone tells you, oh, there is a house here being sold, you guys, we heard you're looking for a house, that kind of thing. And yeah, so I was thinking maybe this one is also one of those, but I was wrong, guys. So after some time, once everything was finalized, knowing this is gonna be our house, payments already done and all of that stuff, you guys, I just couldn't believe. So we're gonna start right from the beginning, when everything is already out. And in this video, we're gonna transform 2 rooms. And guys, it's gonna be like just a transformation, because the bigger things are already done. Like I said, the whole power and the internet, water pipes out and all of that. Some rooms we might see those things being done, but in this particular one, it's literally just a transformation, like wallpaper, the floors out. And these 2 rooms, it's the bedroom and my walk-in closet, but it's gonna be temporarily, maybe, I'm not so sure yet, it might be Steffi's room for now, just because, guys, the girl is just 4 and we're just not comfortable putting Steffi up there by herself, because we have 3 rooms up there. We have a guest room, we have Steffi's room just in case baby number 2, and all of that. There is like space. Actually, the master bedroom is up there, but we choose to stay down because I want to use these 2 rooms as one my bedroom, another one as my walk-in closet or like office area kind of thing. So when Steffi moves to her room, yeah, I'll see if I still want to use the room as my walk-in closet or something else, anything that comes up. Because at the same time, we're going to keep this wardrobe, because guys, this wardrobe was so pricey, everything being glass, and at the same time, we don't have so many clothes. If we are to make a walk-in closet, that's an expense, because I'll have to buy more stuff to fit in, if that makes sense. So we're gonna see, but let's just head over that side and you guys get to see the befores, like when the carpet is still in, which were the floors in these 2 rooms. Actually, the living room also had the carpet.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how that this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way.
Charging my battery and my phone as well. I was watching Obsessed, and I am obsessed actually. Anyways, this is the feet. Also, guys, my skin is not doing great. Usually my skin gets bad in winter, so I just want to be prepared. I did add a few products into my skincare routine. I got myself this facial serum, this vitamin C, that also this is the BB SPF or sunscreen, whatever you want to call it. Steffi ripped off the sticker, but I think I have a box. Oh, okay, so this is the box that it comes in. Actually, the sticker literally also looks like this, but I don't know, my daughter just amazes me, you guys. I don't know, but yeah, that's these are the few products that I've added into my skincare. Hopefully this winter we're gonna flourish, because my skin in winter just too dry. But at the same time, I am not complaining. We could be doing better, but this is also okay. I'm waiting on hubby's call. Cannot drive that side because then we're gonna have two cars and it doesn't make sense. When he's ready, he'll tell me. If I have to drive there, that means he will have left the car at his workplace. And just got myself some tea with some herbs in it. No matter what I do, I am just never prepared. Like, there is always something right there waiting to surprise me and just mess up my winter. But anyways, yesterday, you guys, they put the what is this thing called?
We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like fast life. You like to drive, get down.
As you can see in the back, my bed is all cleared. I'm so happy about that. At the moment, I'm just gonna, put on proper pants, a sweater, because it is chilly outside. Yeah, it's starting to get cold. Like, this is a big sign winter is like knocking. Anyways, hubby already called me, so I'm gonna drive there. I'm just going to drive there. We headed to the Bow Market or the Home Depot, whatever you call it, so we can get the panels that I want to that same wall that is having where the LED lights are coming from. That same wall, we're gonna panel it. Initially, the panels I wanted, I think I'll just insert a picture for you guys to see. So, but hubby made me see something that I did not really realize, and I'm a big believer on that. But as I've had interior designers say, and I've seen, honestly, it doesn't make sense to match things. It doesn't look good. It just looks so ghetto. And because I had so many walls planned to have such the same panels, it's literally matching. It's giving matching. So yeah, I've changed my mind. We're gonna panel the wall, but this time we're going to use different panels. And now what I wanted on the wall, the panels I wanted in the first place will go on different places in the house. But now it's making me even think twice. Maybe you can only use those panels in the kitchen, under the kitchen island, and just on half of the wall where the TV is gonna go in the kitchen. And in the living room, we can look for something else for sure, not use the panels. And also, it makes sense because I've seen so many people using the same panels. Don't get me wrong, I don't mind that. But the minute I start seeing something so much, I get tired of it. That's just me. But anyways, I'm going to drive to the Bow Market, and hubby's going to put the panels in the car. Then I can drop them to the site or the house we're renovating. Then the guys can put them. And then we'll go back later in the evening to see if they're done or they'll need 2 days. But I think it's just going to take 1 day because it's just one wall and we need like 15. And yeah, guys, house renovation.
You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. 8 o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wreck and ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back, right back.
Good night without telling me you had a good night. I'll go fast. This is us, you guys. Bottle down. You guys. But one thing about me, I will hydrate. Steph is here, and these are.
Right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you, you're not by yourself. Late o'clock, body talk, there's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball.
And then down we just put the color. I don't want to mention because I want some people to guess in the comment section. Guys, which color do you think I'm going for? Huh? Which color do you think? Guys, you're just gonna have to bear with me in this cup, because the lady who does my hair has not called me yet. She promised to give me a call the minute she gets her free spot, just in case someone cancels or when she gets the time to do it. I'm just patiently waiting and I haven't gotten any call yet.
Don't let it fall on me.
I'll be revealing the color in my next video. So yeah.
Baby, better that you now. I wanna keep it for myself.